Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. I'm Carol Shelkin. In this course, I'm teaching how to use air-dry clay while creating elements you can add to mosaic art projects. Air-dry clay is a product that lets you naturally create and cure your projects without firing in an oven or kiln. It is versatile and suitable for tiles and sculpting techniques that can be used in your mosaic art projects. After being a potter for many years, I'm excited to share some simple methods you can use no matter where you are. I'll demonstrate how to create unique stamps, bas-relief, small sculptures like leaves and strands. I'll show you how you can use textured items like lace to embed designs and molds to create 3D embellishments. There is also a section on how to use mica powders as well as acrylic paints to color the tiles. I'll go over the best adhesives to use when applying the dry tiles to the substrate. I'll also discuss my favorite sealants for these projects. Air-dry clay is intended for interior display only. I'll also show you how to use a variety of pottery tools for different effects. I will go over the curing time and how to measure the tiles so you have a balanced and cohesive piece. If you want to cover the entire substrate in clay tiles, the invention of air-dry clay has created a whole new world and a newfound freedom of not needing a kiln. Including in this course is a PDF for download with the suggested tools, materials, and resources. Let's get creating.
Carol, thank you so much for bringing this fun, whimsical, creative course to Mosaic Arts Online. I think our students are going to love it, and it's just great for anybody.
You're absolutely right, and what a surprise that there's been a new invention of air-dry clay without using a kiln. For me, as a potter, that was a potter for 30 years, it's quite a delight because I had to give up my kiln when I moved,
yes.
And that was several years ago. So for now, to be able to use this and share it with my students is a miracle. It's it's great.
It. So in the course, she just shows you the sample board, but you can just take from it what you could create because she shows you with all these fun tools, some found from the kitchen, how to create this board here and a few of these tiles. And talk about like how the glaze effect happens.
Yeah, it's really amazing. I mean, keeping in mind that the tiles are made for interior use only, we're able to use different sealants to have it become extremely shiny if you choose that.
Right.
You can also have it matte, matte finish if you want. It really is a personal choice, and that's what's really nice about this new material, because you can think about your own aesthetic and decide what you like to do or not to do.
And you can either just make pieces to add to your mosaic and get tiles from different mosaic suppliers, or you can cover a whole substrate. So there's a lot of different ways that you can incorporate this technique. And you said it's like earthenware? Yeah,
this feels like earthenware. I've worked with earthenware and stoneware and porcelain in the past. And earthenware is the friendliest, and that's why I'm so excited about this particular clay, because it really is the friendliest. Even though if you break a tile, I'll show everybody how to fix a tile so you can't even see it.
Yes, you wouldn't even know it was broken in the end. Well, with just a few materials and, like you said, things out of the kitchen, you don't even need to get pottery tools, things you might already have in your studio, you can be off and running creating new and fun and unique, one-of-a-kind tessera to add to your mosaic.
For me, it really is a no-fail workshop. I mean, you don't need any experience, or you can have a little bit of experience with clay. Either way, it's extremely successful.
Well, we know all of Carol Shelkin's courses are successful. And once again, I can't thank you enough for bringing something unique and fun and creative to Mosaic Arts Online.
Tammy, I can't thank you enough. You know, I really mean it from my heart. I'd love to, thank you and Jerry 1,000 times for all you've done for this community, for the arts community, for me and all the instructors as well. This is a wonderful opportunity for everybody across the United States and the world to learn.
Thank you. You are too kind. So once again, we have Carol Shelkin here and a really fun and creative course. Thank you.
Oh.